In this video, I will show you how to fix the Binance login error on your Android device. Many users face issues when trying to log into their Binance accounts. Whether you are trying to trade or check your balance, a login error can stop you in your tracks. I will guide you through some simple steps to resolve this problem quickly. To get started, open up the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Binance and hit search. If there's an update available for the Binance app, you'll see an update button. Tap on it to download and install the latest version of the app. Keeping your apps updated is crucial as updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve login issues. Once the update is complete, try logging into your account again. If updating didn't fix the problem, clearing the app data might help reset any corrupted files causing issues. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your device settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you reach Apps. Tap on it to view all installed applications. At the top right corner of this page is a search button, tap it. Type in Binance and hit search. Select it from the search results when it appears. On this page, scroll down slightly until you find Storage. Tap on it. Tap on Clear Data. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Delete to confirm this action. Clearing data can help reset any corrupted files that might be causing login errors. After clearing data, go back and launch your Binance app again and attempt logging in once more. A stable internet connection is essential for accessing online services like Binance. If you're having trouble connecting via Wi-Fi, switch over to mobile data if possible, or vice versa, if mobile data isn't working well. Sometimes restarting your device can also refresh network connections, which may resolve connectivity issues affecting logins. If you've followed all these steps but still cannot log into your Binance account, there might be other underlying issues at play such as server problems or account-specific issues that require further investigation from customer support. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.